Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you,
How do you use Discord on mobile?
and it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done.
Using Discord on mobile devices, such as smartphones, on tablets, is similar to using it on a PC, but optimized for the smaller screen and touch interface. Here's how you can use Discord on mobile. Firstly, if you haven't installed Discord app on your mobile device, just go to Google Play Store and search for Discord. If you already have a Discord account, log in using your username and password. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for free within the app. Once logged in, on the servers section, you'll see a list of servers you've already joined. You can tap on the server to view its channels and interact with other members. Then, to join a new server, tap on the plus icon and enter the invite link or a code. Tap on the channel to view and participate in the conversation. You can type messages, send images, share links, and use emojis just like on the desktop version. Now, to join a voice or video call, tap on the back on the top left, then tap on the voice channel you want to join, and then tap the join voice or join video button. You can enable your microphone and camera to participate in the call. Now, on notification section, Discord will send you notifications for new messages, mentions, and other activities. You can manage your notification settings in the app settings menu. You can also customize your profile, including your username, avatar, and status directly from the mobile app. Tap on your profile icon to access these settings. You can access server settings, including roles, permissions, and channel settings by tapping on the server name and selecting server settings or the gear icon. Now, to add friends, go to messages, then tap on add friends. Here, you can manually add your friends using these two options.
And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.